Life has a way of mirroring the energy we carry, and it all begins with the thoughts we nurture. When you start to consciously choose your thoughts, aligning them with what you truly desire, something extraordinary begins to unfold. The universe listens, responding to the vibrations you send out with unwavering accuracy. It's as if you're painting the canvas of your life with every thought and word you express. Remember, every moment is an opportunity to create a masterpiece. Let's dive into the first key to unlocking the flow of abundance into your life: the undeniable power of your thoughts and words. If you ever find yourself saying, "I will have this," or "I am going to achieve that," pause for a moment. Understand that these statements, though well-intentioned, push your desires into a distant future. The universe operates in the now. It takes your words and thoughts quite literally. When you affirm something is happening in the future, it remains there, just out of your grasp. This is why it's so important to cultivate a mindset steeped in the present moment and infused with positive affirmations. Instead of, "I will have," declare, "I have it now." Feel the shift in energy, the power of claiming your desires as if they already belong to you. Think of it this way. Each thought you think, each word you speak, is like planting a seed. You wouldn't sow seeds in a barren land and then expect a lush garden to appear overnight, would you? Similarly, your mental atmosphere acts as the fertile soil for the seeds of your thoughts. A positive and nurturing mindset allows your desires to grow and flourish. But if your thoughts are clouded with negativity, doubt, or fear, you create a barren field where nothing can thrive. How often do we let fleeting negative thoughts sabotage our dreams? You might think back to times when something good seemed within your reach, only for it to slip away at the last moment. This isn't the universe being cruel or withholding. Often it's a reflection of the mental atmosphere you've cultivated. Negative thoughts create invisible barriers that block the flow of positivity and abundance. When you dwell on what you don't want or focus on fears and limitations, you unknowingly push the very things you desire further away. Begin to observe your thoughts. Catch those moments when you're thinking, "I don't want to be broke," or "I hate this situation." These are not affirmations for abundance or happiness. The universe doesn't hear "I don't want." It only registers the energy you emit, the focus on being broke, the hatred toward the situation. Instead, shift your language. Say, "I welcome financial prosperity," or "I embrace solutions and growth in this moment." Every positive thought you hold brings good into your life, just as every negative thought creates distance from your desires. The key is consistency, choosing moment by moment to align your thoughts with what you want to attract. This is not about denying reality, but about recognizing the immense power you hold in shaping your reality. Each thought you think is like a vote for the life you wish to create. Choose wisely, because the universe is always listening, ready to deliver. In this realization lies your power. Let your words be a reflection of the life you're building. Speak in the language of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Let your thoughts vibrate with the energy of having, of being, of experiencing all that you dream of, right here, right now. It is within this mental atmosphere that miracles take root and life begins to transform in ways you could have never imagined. Clarity is the foundation upon which your affirmations take shape. Without it, your desires become muddled and the universe struggles to deliver the outcomes you seek. When you say, "I don't want to be sick anymore," your focus remains on the very sickness you wish to overcome. The universe picks up on that energy, perpetuating the unwanted state. Instead, reframe your affirmation to focus on what you do want. "I accept perfect health now." This subtle shift is incredibly powerful, aligning your energy with the outcome you desire rather than the problem you wish to escape. The same principle applies to every area of life. Saying, "I hate this job," sends a message of dissatisfaction and frustration, which only attracts more of the same. Instead, declare, "Wonderful new doors are opening for me," or "I am excited about the opportunities unfolding in my career." Notice how these affirmations feel lighter, more expansive. They invite possibility and positivity into your mental atmosphere, creating fertile ground for change. Some may wonder why specificity matters so much. Think of your affirmations as instructions to the universe. A vague request yields vague results. If you're yearning for financial stability, saying, "I don't want to struggle anymore," isn't enough. Shift your focus and affirm, "I welcome financial abundance into my life. Money flows to me effortlessly and in ways that bring joy." Specificity sharpens your intention, giving the universe a clear blueprint to work with. Pay attention to the language you use. not only in your affirmations, but also in your daily thoughts and conversations. Are you speaking in a way that aligns with abundance, health, and happiness? Or are you inadvertently reinforcing patterns of lack and limitation? Your words carry immense creative power. Choose them with care, ensuring they reflect the reality you wish to experience. It's also vital to pair your affirmations with belief. Empty words, spoken without conviction, hold little power. Feel the truth of your affirmations as you say them. Imagine the joy of already living the reality you're affirming. The combination of clear intention, positive language, and genuine belief creates a magnetic force that draws your desires into being. As you practice this, you'll notice a profound shift in your mental atmosphere. Negative thoughts will lose their grip, replaced by a sense of possibility and empowerment. You'll begin to see evidence of your affirmations manifesting in small and large ways. Trust the process and stay consistent. With clarity in your affirmations, you're not just hoping for a better future, you're actively creating it one thought and word at a time. The journey to a positive mental atmosphere begins with awareness. So often, our thoughts operate on autopilot, influenced by past conditioning or current challenges. You may not even realize how many negative thoughts creep into your mind on any given day. But there's the truth. Every negative thought, if left unchecked, becomes a tiny anchor that weighs you down. It's like carrying around an invisible chain, limiting your ability to move freely toward the life you desire. What can you do? Start by acknowledging that it's okay to have negative thoughts. We're human, after all. The key is not to dwell on them or let them take root. When you catch yourself thinking something like, "This will never work," or "I'm not good enough," recognize it as an old, unhelpful pattern. Then, gently but firmly, replace it with a thought that supports your goals and happiness. For instance, you might say, "This is a new opportunity and I'm capable of handling it," or "I am growing and improving every day." This process of substitution is powerful. It's not about forcing yourself to be artificially positive or ignoring genuine challenges. Instead, it's about redirecting your energy towards solutions and possibilities. Think of it as tending to a garden. When you notice weeds, those negative thoughts, you don't berate yourself for their presence. You simply remove them and plant something beautiful in their place. Over time, you'll notice a shift. The more you practice replacing negative thoughts, the less power they hold over you. You'll develop a habit of reaching for thoughts that uplift and empower you. This habit becomes a foundation for everything else in your life, influencing your relationships, your health, and your ability to attract abundance. Affirmations are an essential tool in this process. When you catch a negative thought, counter it with an affirmation that feels true and aligned with your desires. For example, if you're worried about finances, instead of dwelling on lack, say, "Money flows into my life in surprising and delightful ways." If you're feeling overwhelmed, remind yourself, "I am capable and I handle challenges with grace and ease." These affirmations not only help shift your focus, but also create a positive vibration that attracts solutions and opportunities. It's important to remember that this is a practice. You're not expected to get it perfect overnight. There will be days when negative thoughts feel louder than usual, and that's okay. What matters is your commitment to return to the practice again and again. With each effort, you're building a new mental habit, one that supports your growth and happiness. And as you continue, you'll find that the positive thoughts come more easily, naturally replacing the old patterns that no longer serve you. In this journey of transformation, patience and self-compassion are your greatest allies. Celebrate every small victory, every moment you choose a positive thought over a negative one. These moments add up, creating a powerful momentum that propels you toward the life you envision. Trust that with each step, you're moving closer to the abundance and joy you deserve. Affirmations are not just tools for special occasions or moments of difficulty. They are meant to become a seamless part of your daily life, shaping the way you think, feel, and act. The most powerful affirmations are those that resonate deeply with you, speaking directly to your desires and aspirations. When used consistently, affirmations create a ripple effect, transforming not only your inner world, but also the external circumstances you attract. Start your day with affirmations that set a positive tone for what's to come. Declare, "I'm ready to embrace today with confidence and joy," or "Good things are flowing to me effortlessly." These simple yet potent statements align your energy with possibility and abundance, setting the stage for a fulfilling day. Repeat them with conviction, letting their energy seep into your consciousness. Throughout the day, Use affirmations to navigate challenges and reinforce your desired mindset. If you encounter a difficult situation, pause and remind yourself, I am calm, capable, and in control, or every challenge is an opportunity for growth. These affirmations not only ground you in the present moment, but also guide you toward constructive action. They help you maintain a sense of agency, ensuring that your thoughts remain aligned with your goals. Affirmations are particularly powerful when paired with visualization. As you repeat your affirmations, take a moment to imagine yourself living their reality they describe. See yourself thriving, achieving, and enjoying the outcomes you desire. Feel the emotions associated with these experiences: joy, gratitude, peace. This combination of words and imagery creates a potent, energetic blueprint that the universe responds to. Consistency is the key to making affirmations work. Treat them as non-negotiable rituals, just like brushing your teeth or eating a meal. You don't have to spend hours on them. Even a few minutes each day can create profound shifts. Write your affirmations down, place them where you'll see them often, or record them and listen to them as you go about your day. The more you immerse yourself in their energy, the more natural they will feel. It's important to note that affirmations are not about denying reality or avoiding challenges. They are about focusing your energy on solutions, possibilities, and the outcomes you wish to create. When you use affirmations, you're not pretending that problems don't exist. You're choosing to approach them from a place of empowerment rather than fear or limitation. As you integrate affirmations into your life, you'll begin to notice subtle yet profound changes. You may find yourself feeling more optimistic, resilient, and open to opportunities. Your relationships may improve as you radiate a more positive and loving energy. Even your physical health can benefit as your thoughts influence your body's well-being. The impact of affirmations extends far beyond the immediate moment, creating a foundation for lasting growth and transformation. Affirmations are your daily reminders of the power you hold to shape your reality. Use them wisely with intention and consistency. Let them guide you toward the life you've always envisioned, one thought and word at a time. Your body is a remarkable creation, constantly responding to the signals it receives from your thoughts and emotions. Every cell within you is listening, adapting, and aligning itself with the energy you project. This is why maintaining a positive mental atmosphere is essential, not only for your emotional well-being, but for your physical health as well. When you approach your body with love and appreciation, you create a harmonious environment where healing and vitality can thrive. One of the most profound ways to nurture your health is through the power of affirmations. Instead of criticizing your body for what it lacks or what you wish to change, speak to it with kindness and gratitude. Affirm, my body is strong, healthy, and capable. Or, I treat my body with love and care, and it responds with vibrant health. These affirmations send a clear message to your cells, guiding them toward optimal functioning. It's important to recognize that negative thoughts about your body, whether they stem from dissatisfaction, frustration, or fear, can create stress and imbalance.
When you hold on to thoughts like, I hate the way I look, or I'm always sick, you reinforce patterns that hinder your health.
Instead, choose affirmations that empower you and celebrate the incredible capabilities of your body. For example, say, I am grateful for my body's ability to heal and renew itself, or every day I grow stronger and more vibrant. Your thoughts also influence your habits and choices. When you think positively about your health, you're more likely to engage in behaviors that support your well-being, such as eating nutritious foods, staying active, and getting adequate rest. Affirmations like, I enjoy nourishing my body with healthy foods, or I love moving my body and feeling energized, can inspire you to make decisions that align with your goals. Remember, your body is not your enemy. It is your partner on this journey. Treat it with the same care and respect you would offer a cherished friend. When a part of your body is ailing, approach it with compassion rather than frustration. Affirm, I send love and healing energy to this part of my body, or I trust my body's wisdom to guide me toward health. These affirmations create a sense of unity and cooperation between your mind and body, fostering an environment where healing can flourish. As you practice affirmations for your health, you'll begin to notice a shift in the way you feel. You may experience greater energy, resilience, and a deeper sense of connection to your body. This is not a coincidence. It is the result of aligning your thoughts with the natural state of well-being that is your birthright. Trust in your body's ability to heal, and use affirmations as a tool to support and celebrate your journey toward vibrant health and vitality. At the core of every affirmation, every positive thought, and every moment of gratitude lies one fundamental truth: self-love. When you truly love and value yourself, you align with the energy of abundance, health, and joy. Self-love is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It is the foundation upon which all manifestations are built. Self-love begins with acceptance. Accept who you are right now with all your perceived flaws and imperfections. This doesn't mean you stop striving for growth or change. It means you recognize your inherent worthiness. Affirm, "I am enough just as I am," or "I deserve love and happiness in all forms." These affirmations remind you that your value is not tied to your achievements or circumstances. It simply is. When you practice self-love, you naturally raise your vibration. You begin to attract people, opportunities, and experiences that reflect the love you have for yourself. This is because the universe mirrors the energy you project. If you constantly criticize or doubt yourself, you attract situations that reinforce those feelings. But when you nurture a deep sense of self-worth, the universe responds in kind, bringing you experiences that affirm your value. One of the most powerful ways to cultivate self-love is through gratitude. Take time each day to acknowledge and appreciate the qualities that make you unique. Affirm, "I am grateful for my strength and resilience," or "I celebrate my creativity and compassion." Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a sense of abundance and fulfillment. Self-love also involves setting boundaries and prioritizing your well-being. Say no to things that drain your energy or compromise your values. Affirm, "I honor my needs and make choices that support my highest good." By respecting yourself, you teach others to do the same, creating relationships that are healthy, supportive, and empowering. As you deepen your practice of self-love, you'll notice that manifesting your desires becomes easier. This is because you no longer approach life from a place of lack or desperation. Instead, you operate from a state of wholeness and confidence, knowing that you are deserving of all the good that life has to offer. Affirm, "I am worthy of my dreams and I welcome them into my life with open arms." Remember, self-love is a journey, not a destination. Be patient and gentle with yourself as you cultivate this essential practice. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. With each act of self-love, you strengthen the foundation upon which your manifestations are built, creating a life that is rich, vibrant, and deeply fulfilling. Your journey to abundance, health, and joy begins with your thoughts. Every moment offers an opportunity to align with the energy you wish to attract. By nurturing a positive mental atmosphere, practicing clarity in affirmations, replacing negative thoughts, and integrating self-love into your life, you open the door to unlimited possibilities. Remember, the power to create the life you desire is already within you. Use it wisely, with intention and unwavering belief in your worthiness. With each positive thought and affirmation, you are shaping a future filled with miracles and endless potential. Embrace the process, trust the journey, and know that you are always deserving of life's greatest blessings.